Hey, King Woohoo, what brings you to my neck of the woods?
Bucket, I was wondering if you have bought your airline tickets to Portland for this year's fishing trip?
No, I haven't bought my tickets. I am not going on this year's fishing trip.
Bucket, what do you mean you are not going? You look forward to this trip every year.
I know, King Woohoo, but I just have a lot of stuff going on this year. I just can't make it.
Bucket, what is so important that you cannot make this year's fishing trip?
My mountain bike is a flat tire, so I can't make it.
Bucket, come on, that's no excuse. Tell me why you can't make the trip.
Okay, Woohoo, my damn sciatica is acting up again.
Bucket, you fished with the same problem for the last 2 years. You told me that nothing would ever stop you from going on the fishing trip again.
Well, King Woohoo, my mom might be selling her house in the next 10 years, so I need to be ready to help her move.
Bucket, you can't plan for something that might happen in 10 years.
You're probably right, King Woohoo, but you know me better than most people. Haven't you noticed all the changes I have been making?
Bucket, you live in the same house, you have the same job, you still drink a ton of vodka each week, you still have the same underwear on from last week. And you didn't even kill an elk last year. So tell me, what has changed?
Well, Woohoo, Camp Viagra just does not mean that much to me anymore.
Bucket, how could you say that? Camp Viagra is your life. It's all you ever talk about. Well, you do talk about Bob from Avon a lot, but you live and breathe Camp Viagra.
Not anymore, King Woohoo. The bucket has found a woman. Not any woman, mind you. A woman that likes to spend time with me. She listens to all my stories, even the ones about Bob from Avon. She even told me she wanted to sit in the bucket blind with me and cook small animals.
Bucket, you understand that if you don't go on this fishing trip, Camp Viagra will not let you hunt or fish with them again.
I do not care, King Woohoo. Besides, I like fishing with my new woman better. She does not smell like Camp Viagra. She smells pretty. She also lets me touch her lady parts. Cogs lets me touch him, but he doesn't have any lady parts. It's just not the same as my new woman.
Bucket, I don't know what to say.
Well, King Woohoo, the bucket is a changed man. I know I was soft before, but now I am even softer. I am the world's largest marshmallow.